Hi everyone, I'm David Dawson, and today I'll walk you through my audit of the Samsung Care YouTube channel, especially focusing on their hardset factory reset content. You can check out the channel here at www.youtube.com/SamsungCare. Let's dive into what's working, what's missing, and what I recommend they improve. As far as the profile setup and strengths, first, Samsung's channel has serious strength and brand authority. It's verified, well-known, and clearly tied to the Samsung family of products. They also maintain a Samsung Care branch focused on troubleshooting and how-to content, which is exactly the kind of content their users need. Their banner channel, art, and production values are polished, and their about description includes essential keywords like Samsung, Galaxy, and mobile, which helps with discoverability. Their weaknesses and gaps. Their support how-to videos aren't always cleanly organized into topic-specific playlists like factory reset, troubleshooting, or software help. That makes it harder for users to systematically find what they need. Also, some of their support content is overshadowed by product launch videos, so visibility is uneven. The channel also lacks a clear new viewer trailer that introduces the Samsung Care support side of the brand. Finally, some how-to videos don't fully leverage strong descriptions, timestamps, or related video links, which hurts session retention. As far as recent video hardset content evaluation, let's talk about the hypothetical or observed video, how to factory reset your Galaxy phone safely. The title is decent. It includes the key terms factory reset and Galaxy, but it could be stronger by adding the year, such as 2025, or qualifiers like step-by-step or no data loss. The thumbnail likely shows a phone and some icons, but may suffer from weak contrast, small fonts, or too many elements that clutter the view, especially on mobile. In the description and tags, they may include factory reset and Samsung reset, but often miss long-tail variants such as reset locked phone, hard reset without password, and they might not include watch next or embedded playlist links to keep viewers engaged. Engagement-wise, viewers may drop off after the core reset steps if there's no next video to carry them further. And comments asking for variants such as "my screen is broken, how do I reset?" might go unanswered, missing opportunities to build rapport. As far as the thumbnail and redesign concept, my recommendations for the thumbnail redesign, I'd use a dark, urban, edgy background with bold electric blue tones. On one side, a Galaxy phone showing a reset icon overlay. On the other side, large text like factory reset with Galaxy or safe and easy as a subtitle. White light text with outline or shadow for readability. As a key improvement strategy, I'd urge Samsung to build dedicated playlists like Galaxy resets and recovery, and in each reset videos, descriptions, and end screen link to the next video in the playlist. Use in chapters, timestamps, strong keyworded titles such as "How to Factory Reset Galaxy S25, Step-by-Step 2025, and encourage questions and answers in the comments. That way they boost session time, guide viewers deeper into the channel, and strengthen SEO. In summary, Samsung's YouTube presence is strong in brand, but the support side can be elevated with better organization, deeper optimization, and smarter video chaining. Thanks for watching. I'm David Dawson, and I hope this helps you think about how to make tech tutorials more effective and user-friendly.